What's happening, y'all? Merry Christmas, everybody. This is Josh from Drive the Coast. Once again, down here at the beach. A little chilly in Florida these days, about 50 degrees. But we still got beautiful classic cars coming in and out of inventory. Almost had a sellout last week. Everybody's buying Christmas presents. We were able to get this one in stock just yesterday. Beautiful 1975 Ford Bronco. Absolutely beautiful restoration. It's got a little bit less than 2,000 miles on it. It was done top to bottom. You can see the floor pans is all in immaculate condition. Motor was redone, transmission redone, brand new exhaust, new seats, paint, obviously beautiful paintwork here in the two-tone hardtop to match. All new chrome. The windows honestly look brand new. Gaskets look brand new. Grip rails super clean. Mirror reflection all the way on the hardtop. No dings or anything that I've seen anywhere on it. Brand new wheels and tires. Like I said, about 2,000 miles on them. So not quite brand new, but still super clean. It's got a roll bar. Got the bimini top. No rust in it anywhere. Brand new gas tank. Windows all roll up and down like they should. Got some super cool CNC door panels, steps as well. Got the VIN number there on the glove box. Tilt steering wheel with the wood grain steering wheel. Bluetooth stereo working. It's just a beautiful truck. Brand new seats, front and back. Just look at the condition of the floors. Absolutely beautiful. Looks like that on the bottom as well. You can see all the new bolts they use there. You got brand new roll bar. All the hardware on the back is brand new on that back lift gate. It's just a super clean truck. Not trying to hide anything, just clean metal. Underside's also super clean. Brand new radiator. It's got power steering, got power disc brakes up front. Electronic windshield wipers. See your disc brakes there. 4-wheel drive. Got a brand new lift kit on it. Looks like an aftermarket sway bar there as well. Anyway, brand new gauge. Let's give it a fire up here. Sound to it. Pop the hood here. Got air shocks on the hood. Anyway, y'all, we also have financing as well as nationwide shipping. Cutting it a little close for Christmas, depending on where you're at, but we may be able to still get it there. Please let me know how I can earn your business. This is Josh from Drive the Coast. We also got financing. Hard to go wrong on this Bronco. Thanks so much for watching.